All right, let's dive right in. Today, we are breaking down a fantastic guide from Shikhar Singh called the AI Millionaire Starter Guide. This is all about giving you a real practical roadmap for turning artificial intelligence into actual income. Let's get to it. So let's just get this out of the way, because if you're here, this is probably the exact question bouncing around in your head. You've seen all the hype, you've read the headlines, but there's that nagging voice, right? The one that says, I'm just not a techie. This stuff is way over my head. Well, that's the single biggest myth we are going to completely bust today.
And this quote from the guide just nails it. Success with AI right now isn't about being a coder or knowing complex algorithms. Not at all. It's about being the director of a movie. Your job is to have the vision and give clear, simple instructions, what we now call prompts. You let the AI do all the heavy lifting.
So here's the game plan. First, we're going to tear down that not techie myth. Then we'll get you into the right mindset. We'll find you a profitable skill, help you land that all-important first client, and then show you how to scale it all up into lasting wealth. It's a clear path from A to Z.
Okay, let's tackle the biggest hurdle head-on, the not techie myth. This first part is all about one thing, shifting how you see yourself. You're not a programmer, you're a director.
You know what's so great about this is how simple it is to reframe this in your mind. First step, just remember you are the director. Your job is the vision. You tell the AI what you want. You don't need to worry about how it does it. Second, just start playing around with free tools. ChatGPT, Midjourney, whatever. Build your confidence without spending a dime. And third, and this is key, focus only on the output. Did the AI write a great email? Did it make a cool image? That's it. That's all that matters. Forget the jargon.
All right, so now that we've shifted our perspective, it's time to build a foundation, the core philosophy for all this. Welcome to Section 2, Your AI Millionaire Mindset.
And it really comes down to this super simple three-part mantra. First, believe big. Seriously, give yourself permission to set some really exciting, maybe even kind of scary financial goals. AI has completely leveled the playing field. Then, you start small. What's the absolute tiniest step you can take today? Not tomorrow, today. And finally, win consistently. This isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, even imperfectly, every single day. Those small daily wins are what compound into absolutely massive success.
Okay, mindset is locked in. Let's get practical. Section 3 is all about finding your first skill. This is where the ideas start turning into actual money-making services.
Now check this out. This table just lays out 5 super beginner-friendly paths, and you don't need to be an expert in all of them. Are you pretty good with words? Boom, you're a language master, and you can sell a month's worth of social media content. Do you love making things more efficient? You can be the efficiency expert and offer an audit that saves a business 10 hours a week. See the pattern? The key is to frame your skill into a simple, irresistible offer.
But, and this is the secret sauce, don't try to do everything. The market pays experts, not generalists. So pick one of these skills and just go deep. Become the go-to person for that one thing. That focus builds trust, it makes your marketing crystal clear, and ultimately, it's what lets you charge a premium.
And that brings us to maybe the most important step of all. Section 4, landing your first client. This is where the rubber meets the road. This is where it all becomes real.
Okay, so let's walk through a real-world example. Here's a super common problem. A small online store has a new product, but they just don't have the budget for a big, expensive photo shoot. This is a perfect opportunity for an AI solution. So your solution isn't some vague AI design services. No, it's super specific. It's packaged. You call it the 3D Product Mockup Sprint. The name itself tells the client it's going to be fast and that they're getting a clear result.
And the price? It's clear, it's affordable, and for the client, it's an absolute no-brainer. But that $200, it's so much more than just money. It's proof. It's the psychological breakthrough that honestly changes everything.
And here is your unfair advantage. While a traditional photo shoot might take days or weeks, you can deliver these incredible mockups in under 3 hours. That insane efficiency is what makes your service so valuable and so profitable. Awesome. You've made your first dollar. But how do you make more, and more consistently? Let's move to Section 5, Scale Your Hustle. It's time to stop thinking like a freelancer and start thinking like a business owner.
Okay, this next bit is a huge mindset shift. You have got to stop charging for your time. The old way is billing by the hour. The new way, the AI way, is charging for the value you create. Look, if your AI service saves a company $60,000 a year, asking for $5,000 isn't expensive. It's an incredible deal for them, and it's a total game changer for you.
And if you want to scale, you have to systemize. You've got to build a machine that works for you. That means creating templates for your services, building a library of your best prompts so you're not starting from scratch, and automating stuff like scheduling. Every single system you build is another step towards escaping that trap of trading your time for money.
All right, so you're making consistent income. The machine is running. Now let's build a fortress around it. Welcome to the final section, building lasting wealth. You know, real wealth comes from having multiple streams of income. And this is where it gets really fun. You can use AI to quickly write and sell ebooks. You can package your expertise into an online course. You can sell those prompt libraries you built as digital products. Each new stream adds another layer of financial security.
And finally, you have to invest those profits wisely. But don't worry, this isn't complicated. It's a simple 3-step habit. First, pay yourself first. Automate those transfers to an investment account. Second, use a simple 3-bucket system to organize your money. And for that long-term growth, just consistently invest in broad market index funds. That's how you make your money start working for you.
And that brings us to the end. You now have the full roadmap, from changing your mindset to actually building wealth. So the only question that really matters is the one right here. What is the one small action, not a huge plan, just one tiny action that you are going to take today to get started?